the comparison between the two Tektronix headphones, that is TT-BH060 and TT-BH085. Before the comparison, let's go through the unboxing. This is the unboxing of Tektronix TT-BH060. It comes with a really good and hard case. It has the Tektronix logo on it. Now let's unbox. It comes with two segments. In the first segment you have the headphones. The second segment consists of the pouch, in which you can carry the 3.5mm aux cable and the micro USB. It also comes with a user manual. On the other hand, the Tektronix TT-BH085 unboxing, it comes with a soft pouch and no any Tektronix symbol, but the Tektronix written here. And now let's unbox. So inside the pouch there is the Tektronix TT-BH085 headphones and the 3.5mm aux cable and the Type-C cable and the user manual. For clarity, this is TT-BH060, which is a 2019 version, and this is TT-BH085, which is a 2020 version. If you want the specific review about TT-BH085, then click on that suggestion above. About the charging in Model 60, it charges 45 minutes and has a playtime of 30 hours, and it charges with micro USB. About the charging in 85 model, it takes 45 minutes and has a playtime of 40 hours, and it charges with Type-C cable. Talking about the case, the 60 comes with a very good and hard case, whereas the 85 comes with a pouch. Whereas the foam in TT-BH085 is very soft. It is fitted with protein memory soft foam, which is very soft and comfortable to wear. Talking about the foam in the TT-BH060, it is a bit harder. Talking about the masses, this is 18.4 ounces and this is 12.6 ounces, which is around 30% less. Based on my experience in the 60 model, when I wear it 10 to 15 minutes, there is a slight of discomfort in my ear, whereas I don't feel any discomfort in the Model 85. So both are relatively very good model. It's up to you to which you buy. About the mic in the Model 60, it is fitted with CVC 6.0 noise cancelling. And about the mic in the 85 model, it is fitted with 8.0 CVC noise cancelling. Coming to the price comparison, the 60 model, when I bought it 8 months back, was $60 and now the price has come down to $25, whereas the 85 model, the price is $55. About the buttons, in the Model 60, the volume buttons are joined and the power button is separated, whereas in the 85 model, the volume button and the power buttons are in a series. People having experiences about these headphones can comment below. Suggestions can also be commented. If you want to buy this product, go through the link in the description box. Thank you for watching the video.